I'm planning on adopting it. Actually, just stray. He got really used to me, so he likes me. That's why he's being so... Yeah, she. I'm gonna name her Lucy or Trixie.
Huh.
When I lay down, she wants me to pet her. Like that. No matter her height. She's still a puppy. Her teeth's pretty sharp. It's not that means she's still a puppy. I don't really know too much about dogs, but I know sometimes they can be nice, sometimes they can be mean. Look, you can actually feel her bones right here.
Yeah, she's pretty thin. You can hear Pixie barking from in the house saying, "Stop petting that stray dog."
It's a
She's
nice
saying,
dog.
"You belong to me. She's not supposed to be here."
It's okay, Pixie. It's a stray. We're
Hi, girl. Yeah,
it's just a little puppy.
you got a little bit of something in your eyes, don't you?
Yeah,
Where'd you come from, huh?
What's it saying? I can't understand dogs. So
Somebody dump you off out here?
I didn't see her till we went out.
Yeah.
I didn't see her till we go out and go to Walmart to get some stuff.
Yeah.